right, I got this hair from Love Me Hair. This is, let's open it to see what's inside. Who is John? This is the wig. I just put it on and just to see how it's gonna look like, and I like it. It's pretty long, very full. I would love to do like a one side part instead of the middle part, so I'm gonna try to see if I could do that. And yeah. I don't know if you can see me right, but this is the hair. I love how it looks like. It's so full, so nice, and it doesn't shed at all, so I love that. But we're gonna see how long it's gonna last, and I am obsessed. We are here at the party, so that's why I'm trying to show you just a little before I go inside, because I know I'm not gonna do it. I'm obsessed. Yeah, so that is all. Watch out, Joe, he's turning. I will also leave the link for the wig in the description box, so if you want to get you a nice good wigs, and it wasn't that expensive either, and that's like my maybe number 10 or 9th wigs from them, so I love them. So I just got home from work. I started doing laundry, and I need to do like a Target run, because I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but whatever. Anyway, hey Telly. Hey, Telly girl. Hey, Telly girl. Hey, come here. Come here. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Huh? You want to say hi? Say hi, everybody. My name is Telly. Psst. Telly, say hi. Say good morning. Okay. I am doing a little deep cleaning in my bedroom, where I move the mattress and the whole bed to vacuum under the bed. So that's nice. There was so much crap, like all these were under the bed, and I also move all the dressers and nightstands to like sweep under them or behind them. And look at the floor just under the nightstands, and the whole wall was so dusty, and the blind was just disgusting. I already dusted. Just feel nice. I do that once in a while. I don't do that often. I also vacuum like the headboard, the mattress, and put new sheets and everything. So yeah, I love to do that. So that's what I'm doing today, and then when I'm done, I am also gonna work in my closet. So let's go ahead and try to finish, because I want to move on to the next thing. All right, bedroom is all done and deep clean. That is nice. And these are all clothes from the 2 nightstand that I already cleared out. They look so nice now, but anyway, so I have to put those in a bag. That's a bunch of stuff, so that makes me super happy. Yep, but I'm happy when my room is clean, especially a deep clean. It's just so nice. Also, bathroom is done. I also clean it, wash all towels and floor mat and curtains. I wash everything. So yeah, nothing much to do, just put the clothes away, fix the couch, and then vacuum. I was gonna decorate this room for spring, but I am not gonna spend any more money on spring stuff, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use those pillow covers that I bought on Amazon and put them, yeah, just put them on the couch. And I was gonna get pink or blue flowers for that vase, but I'm not gonna do it. The only thing I'm gonna do is just using this pillow cover. That's it, and I'm done with this room. Alright, done with the living room. I love the colors. The blue and the pink is just so nice. Hold on. I love how this feels. It's just so nice, and they wasn't even expensive at all. It's a linen fabric. I love it. I'm gonna check if they have white one, so when I take those off, I can put white one. I love how they look on the couch. So cute. Ta-da! This is insane. Wow. Yep, it is a mess in here. You know what? I need to go up there and move those things. I haven't touched those things up here for like maybe a few years since I moved here. Maybe, I don't know. But this is a mess right here, and this is the worst one right there. All these are dirty clothes. I need to like go through to see what's need to be washed and what need to go to dry cleaning. And all these shoes, I have to see how I can like organize them. I don't know, we shall see. And I have clothes under here on the shelves that I'm too lazy to like hang, and that is not good. Let's go ahead and go through that basket because it is full to the top. Let me see. Ugh! There it is. So let's go ahead and go through it and see what's need to be washed and what's need to go to the dry cleaning. So I have clothes with tags, so that's on the ground. That's not good. So go back up there. I got all the clothes off the floor, still a mess, but that is not gonna happen today. Color clothes that I need to wash in my washer, and I can air dry them, you know. And then I have the white I have to also wash in my washer and air dry them, and these are going to the dry cleaning. Yeah, I have to take them either today or tomorrow. And then these are just clean clothes that was just on the floor, you know. So I have to hang them back, but that is all for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and hang these, put those in a bag, put them in my car, and then these I can throw in my washer and wash them and air dry them. So that's today. That was today's problem. This problem right here is for another day, but definitely not today. So goodbye. All right, gonna make some real chocolate. This is the chocolate. It's like a ball, a little ball. I have 9 of them, and I have some of that, and I have some evaporated milk and some cinnamon stick, sugar, and that's pretty much all you need. Oh, and vanilla. I have vanilla too, so yep. Put our water. Some nutmegs. I am also gonna put some cinnamon powder because I don't know, I don't like how to stick. It doesn't smell strong at all, so I'll add some of that. And I'm gonna add my chocolate. Some people like to wait for the water to be boiled, but it really don't make no difference. So I'm not gonna wait so they can melt. Okay? Add some vanilla. And that's it. Alrighty. The real way. Oh, don't bend your mouth. Yeah. Turn it.
You in trouble today, girl. Don't make me get in my mood.
Took the nicest shower. Finally, we are going to see the new movie Mario.
No, it's the new Mario.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
Yeah.
The new one. So I'm just getting ready. I'm just taking the kids to go see it. My kids and some of their friends. So yeah, just gonna be me with 6 kids. We're gonna see how that goes. But yeah, I am gonna end the vlogs here, so hopefully you guys enjoy and subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video. Bye.